Hi there. I thought we would have a go at making a palm cross for Palm Sunday. Obviously, going to be a paper cross, so all you need is a sheet of A4, and I've got a sheet of A4 right here, as if by magic. Now, what we're going to need to do is cut a thin piece. Now, it's best to go along the diagonal because it needs to be as long as possible. So if you just cut a strip along the diagonal, like that, amazingly. So I've done this and keep it nice and thin because it's a little bit easier to handle. And then you make about two, just over halfway up, you're going to make the first fold. And it's just folding it in that way. Can you see that? That's how you do that first fold. And then you take the bottom strip and put it up like that. So you have, what we're basically doing is making a square. So then you flip it over and then with the same strip, take it to the top and sort of square it off when you fold it. So you square it off so it's like that. Then you do the same again. No, you don't. What do you do now? Right, I think what you do now is you take the other bit that you were using and you flip that back round. And then you slip it through the middle. You slip it through the middle. You can peer down there and you see that there is a space. You just have to coax it through. There we go. And you pull it right the way through. Right the way through. And you've made that kind of little box then. Can you see? That little box, and that stands alone. And then you make the bar, the crossbar. And you do that with the same side bar. So this is the slightly shorter one. And again, it goes through the middle. Now mine's got a little bit thin. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge. I'm just going to have to scoot it a little bit. That'll have to do. Let's see, so it should be able to go through there. Then it's going to bend round. It's going to bend round and then tuck back in. So sort of judge how wide that should be and then just squeeze it tight and take the other side and just tuck it in till it's roughly the same width. So you're left with that. So you're left with that. And then you do the same with the crossbar. Now the easiest way to do it is to flip it over so it feels like it's on the back bit, and then that's where the gap is. So again, slip it through the middle. Just like that. He says, just like that. That's so not right. But it is possible. So I think I've been doing it the wrong way. Find the side that it's supposed to go in nice and easily. Then you want a nice decent length for the bottom of the cross and then tuck it in for the top and squeeze. And there you have it. That was probably the worst instructions that there ever have been. But I hope you can make it. I might see if I'll write some instructions as well. That's a good idea. All right then. Cheers.